6 ways to disable triggers in UseItBetter. How to turn off a single trigger. Select a trigger icon. Disable the preview mode. Disable the live mode. Save the workspace. How to turn off all the triggers in a workspace. Toggle the active control to turn off all the triggers in the workspace. To turn the triggers back on, click the button once again. This control is also available in Workspace view. How to turn off all the triggers in a workspace at some point in the future. Click on the calendar. Set an end date on which you want to disable the triggers. Adjust the time if needed. Save the workspace. How to turn off all the triggers in a project. Expand the sidebar navigation in the upper right corner. Select Project Features. Toggle Disable to turn off all the triggers in the project. Enable the Triggers feature to turn the triggers back on. How to turn off all the triggers just for yourself by modifying URL params. Click the address bar to edit the URL. Add the param and reload the page. Now all the triggers disappeared. How to turn off a specific trigger just for yourself. View workspaces with A/B tests. Open a workspace. Select an active trigger you want to disable. Scroll down to see the data points section. Click Force yourself into a control group.